Have you ever been stuck in a job you hated? Yeah, me too. In fact, I've had a few. The kind where you stare at the clock and wonder if time has actually stopped. Turns out it hadn't. I just really hated the job. I even went all the way to the US thinking a change of scenery might magically solve everything. It didn't. I still felt lost. Then one day, a friend's mother gave me some blunt advice, the kind only a mum can deliver. It got me thinking about university. I signed up for social science with no idea what social impact even was. Honestly, I thought it sounded like a fancy way of saying, be nice to people. Luckily, one of my lecturers introduced me to social impact assessment, and suddenly things clicked. My first job was in health. I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. I probably looked like a deer in headlights at every meeting. But I quickly realized something. These skills could be applied like anywhere. Health policy, housing, homelessness, social procurement. Turns out social impact is a bit like duct tape, surprisingly useful in all sorts of situations. And of course, then the global financial crisis hit. And well, let's just say my first consulting business didn't survive. I went back into the big firms, engineering, environmental planning. I was basically working hard to make other people rich while quietly collecting the insider knowledge on what wasn't working. Silver lining? Free education, just with a lot of long hours. That's when I decided enough is enough. I wrote a book, a practical guide to social impact assessment for the real world. I started a podcast. I built a platform of videos, checklists, guides, and templates, basically everything I wish I'd had when I was starting out. And along the way, I started building a community of practice. They give it as a support group for people who actually want to do social impact properly. Now, I helped master social impact assessment without having to collect more and more degrees because, let's be honest, who wants another student debt? Whether you're just starting out or you've been around the block, I've got the tools, training, and coaching to make social impact assessment practical, useful, and dare I say, even a little enjoyable. So if you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like social impact is just another box to tick, don't worry, you're not alone. And you don't have to figure it out the hard way like I did. Grab the book, explore the subscription site, join the community. Together, we can raise the bar for social impact and maybe even have a laugh while we're at it.